You know, we've all heard the saying that when life gives us lemons, we should make lemonade. So it only makes sense that if we have an abundance of fresh strawberries, we should make something fun with them. That's exactly how the cake we're making today came to be. And once you taste it, you'll understand why it's become a test kitchen favorite. We start by beating some eggs and sugar together until it starts to thicken up. Then we add some strawberry flavored yogurt, some melted butter, and a little vanilla. At this point, we slowly beat in our dry ingredients. And once the batter comes together, we pour half of it into a springform pan. On top of that goes a layer of sliced fresh strawberries. Now the rest of the batter goes over this, and we finish it off with more berries before sprinkling the top with sugar. All that's left to do is bake it off until the center is set. Then we'll let it cool. When you serve this super moist and buttery cake, topped with a dollop of fresh whipped cream and more berries, are you in for a tasty summertime treat? To get the step-by-step recipe for what we call Strawberry Patch Shortcake, all you need to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a berry-licious way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Mm. Mm, 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 mm.